Murder suspect Kevin Kang'ethe, who was arrested yesterday at Parklands in Nairobi, after months of manhunt, was today arraigned at the Milimani Chief Magistrate Court, where 30 days custodial orders were granted to allow extradition processes to be completed. Kevin is a suspect in a first-degree murder in violation of the laws of the United States, where he is alleged to have murdered Margaret Mbitu in Massachusetts on October 31, 2023, by inflicting multiple stabs on her face and neck before leaving her body in a locked automobile in a parking garage at Boston Logan International Airport. Kang'ethe and the late Margaret Mbitu, a home health care aide in the town of Halifax, Massachusetts, are believed to have been in a relationship before the suspect turned against her.
We have breaking news. Investigators just released a picture of the man wanted in the murder of a Whitman woman. One of these photos of Kevin Kang'ethe was taken at Logan Airport. Police believe that he killed Maggie Mbitu, stabbed her, left her body in the car in the Logan Airport garage, and then fled the country. The DA is urging Kang'ethe to turn himself in. Investigators have said they believe that he fled to Kenya, and they're working with authorities there to help get him into custody.
Acting on a diplomatic note issued by the U.S. Embassy requesting the provisional arrest of the Kenyan fugitive, the DCI are working jointly with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, thereafter engaging in concerted efforts with the United States law enforcement to trace and capture the suspect. The court having granted extradition orders and allowing 30 days custodial orders for the processing. The case will be mentioned on March 4, 2024 at Milimani Law Courts.